Hello students, welcome to online class. Students, every day before we start your class, we do one clapping exercise, right? Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Students say 1, 2. Eyes on you. Again. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Very good. Students, already we learned Unit 3 topic. Yes. What is the name of the topic? Unit 3. Yes. States of matter and force. Okay, students. What are the three states of matter? Very good. Solid, liquid and gas. Students, what is the matter, ma'am? You already learned. What is the matter? Yes, very good. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Very good. Students, today class we will learn about friction. Okay? Today class we learn about friction. Friction, what is mean by friction? Friction is one of your force. Okay? Friction is one of your force. What is a force, ma'am? You already learned in previous class. What is mean by force? Yes, a force is a push or pull applied of an object. Yes, a force is push or pull applied on some of the objects. Yes, students, what is the aim of today class? Okay, your aim of today class, what is friction and properties of friction? Okay, properties of friction. Okay, students, what is mean by friction? You already hear the word? You already hear the word? What is mean by friction? Friction means உராய்வு விசை. Okay, friction means உராய்வு விசை. உராய்வு விசை. Okay, friction is a one kind of force. Friction is a one kind of force. Okay, students? Okay. Last class we already covered. Last class what we learned already previous class. Yes, a force acts as a smooth and rough surface. A force acts in a smooth and rough surface also. Yes. Now today class also the friction acts in a smooth or rough surface. Okay, smooth or rough surface. Okay, what is mean by friction? What is mean by friction? You have any idea? You guess any answer? Yes, students. Okay, now we do an activity. Okay. So take your two hands. Okay, and rubbing together. Okay, rub your two hands fastly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, rub your two hands in 2 seconds. Rub your two hands. Okay, enough. Students also do the activity. Okay, students, do the activity. Rub your two hands. Yes. Now, how do you feel in your hand? How do you feel? Yes, very good. The hands gets heat. Yes, the hands get heat. Okay, the hands produce heat from this activity. Yes, so these two hands, how the heat is produced? Yes, how heat is produced between the hands? Yes, because the two hands are come in contact and work together. Yes, the two hands come in contact and work together. So that one is a friction. That one is called a friction. Two objects. Friction is one kind of force. Okay, friction is one kind of force and the opposite motion between the two things, surfaces or two objects. Two surfaces or two objects come in contact each other. Okay, there is a definition of friction. See the slide. Unit 3, states of matter and force. Yes, today topic friction. What is the today topic? Friction force. Friction force. See the slide. Friction force. Yes, students, there is an example of friction force. Skating. Students, what is mean by push or pull? We already learnt in previous class. What is mean by push or pull? Push means what? Yes, objects can move away from the person. Objects, any object move away from the person. Yes, students, I take one small box in smooth surface. Okay, so push means what? Yes, I give some force on the box, so the box is moving. Pushing. Okay, I'm pushing on the box, so the box move away from me. Yes, from the person, right? So same thing, I give some force or pulling. Yes, pulling. So pulling means இழுத்தல். Okay, so the box towards to the person. Okay, pushing means the object can move away from the person. Okay, pulling means the objects can move towards the person. Okay, so push and pulls is combination between the two objects. Okay, two objects. See the slide. What is mean by friction? You already know that. What is mean by friction? Friction means உராய்வு விசை. இரண்டு பொருட்கள் உராய்வதனால் ஏற்படக்கூடிய ஒருவித பலன். Okay, so friction is the force. Okay, students, friction is a one kind of force. Okay, friction is the force that opposes motion between any two surfaces that are in contact. Once again read. Friction is the force that opposes motion between any two surfaces that are in contact. Okay, surfaces means objects, any surfaces. Okay, see that one is a smooth surface. Students, see your surroundings. Which one is a smooth surface? Which one is a smooth surface? Yes, our floor in our home. Yes, our floor in our home. They are placed in a tiles, mosaic, or any stones are present in it in your floor, in your home. Yes, so that is a smooth surface examples. Okay, students. See that I take one smooth surface. Okay, this surface is very smooth. Yes, smooth surface. I take one ball. The ball is placed on the smooth surface. Yes, so I apply some force on the smooth surface. That one is one kind of example of friction. Okay, students, so the ball is moving fastly. Yes, on the smooth surface. So we need only less friction in a smooth surface. Yes, students, we need only less friction in smooth surface. That one is the first concept. Clear? First one, the first property of friction is less friction on smooth surface. See the example. Students, see the slide. Yes, one ball is moved on the smooth surface very fast because we need less friction in a smooth surface. Yes. See the next one. So again, next one, rough surface. Okay, your second concept is rough surface. I make one rough surface. I make one rough surface. Students, see that? I make one rough surface. Okay. First one, we need less friction on a smooth surface. Second one, I make one model on rough surface. Again, the ball is moving on the rough surface. What we observe in the, what we observe, I apply some force. Okay, the ball is moved slowly. Yes, the ball is moved very slowly on the rough surface. Yes, the ball is moving very slowly on the rough surface. Yes, so we need more friction. More friction. Friction means urayudam. Okay, between the surface and the ball, we need more friction so the ball is moved easily. Okay, that was the second concept. So friction is the higher on the rough surface and lower on the smooth surface. Okay, students, listen. We need more friction or higher friction. More friction on rough surface. Rough surface. Okay, students, there is the two properties of friction. One is, what is the two types of surfaces? Rough surface or smooth surface. First one, rough surface. Second one, smooth surface. Okay, what is the two types of surface? Rough or smooth. Rough or smooth. There are two kinds of surfaces only present. Okay, rough surface or smooth surface. What is the properties of friction? What is the properties of friction? Yes, the first property is friction is higher or less. Yes, friction is less friction. We need less friction on smooth surfaces. Okay, we need more friction. More friction. நம்ம அதிக அளவு உராய்வு செய்யறதுனால அந்த பொருள் வந்து ஈஸியா மூவ் ஆகும். On rough surface. Okay, rough surface தான் அதிக அளவு உராய்வு செய்ய தேவைப்படுகிறது. ஓகேவா, ஸ்மூத் சர்ஃபேஸ்ல குறைந்த அளவு ஃப்ரிக்ஷனே நமக்கு கொடுக்கும். ஓகேவா, so we apply the friction on less amount of friction on smooth surface, more amount of friction on rough surface. We apply more amount of friction on rough surface. Okay, that is the first property. And then second property, first property, friction is higher on rough surface and is lower on smooth surface. Less friction or lower. Less friction or lower. Lower means குறைந்த அளவு. Okay, more friction or higher. More friction or higher friction. Okay, less friction on smooth surface. We need higher friction on rough surfaces. Clear? Okay, students, did you understand the concept? Properties of friction? Yes. Once again, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Yes. Say 1, 2, eyes on you. Very good, students. Very good. Now we see the slide. Okay, that one is a rough surface. Okay, there are more amount of pushing force is applied on the rough surface. The object can move. Okay, students, see the slide. One point is understand the slide. The friction is opposite direction. The object is moving opposite direction. Applying the direction of friction. Yes, friction எந்த சைடு apply பண்றோமோ அதுக்கு opposite direction என்னது? Object can move. Object can move. Okay, that is the main concept. Okay, students. So first property, less friction on smooth surface, more friction on rough surface. Okay, we need less friction on smooth surface and more friction on rough surface. Okay, that is the first property of friction. Okay, students, coming to the second property, see that, for example, see the slide. Friction is a force that is created when two surfaces move or try to move across each other. See that the first one is the ball is moving on smooth surface. Yes, very good. The ball is moving on smooth surface. We need less friction only on smooth surface. Okay. Second one, see that. Second one is a rough surface. Yes, very good. Second one is a rough surface. The ball is moving on rough surface. We need more friction. Yes. See the slide again. Yes. See the slide mark. The ball is moving on smooth surface. That is faster movement. Okay. And second one, the ball is moving on rough surface within slower movement. Why? Because the surface is rough surface. Yes. So we need more friction. Okay, students. See that once again. What is the first property? The ball is moving on smooth surface. Okay. I apply some force. The ball is moving smooth surface. So it is a less friction. We need less friction. The ball is moving. Okay. Less friction. The ball is moving. But in a rough surface. Okay. But in a rough surface, the ball is moving in a rough surface. We need more friction. We need more friction and ball can move. Okay. So that is the first property of friction. So we can guess the second property, ma. We can guess the second property. What is the second property? Second property. Yes. Second one. Friction generates heat. Friction generates heat. Friction generates heat. That was the second property, students. Okay, students, listen. First property, less friction on smooth surface, more friction on rough surface, or lower friction on. We need lower friction on smooth surface and higher friction on rough surface. Second property, friction generates heat. Friction generates heat. You already know the activity. Yes. So you're rubbing your hands within 2 seconds or 2 minutes. Okay. Your hands become heat. Your hands get heat from this activity, from the force of friction. Yes. So the two objects are coming in contact with each other. The friction is created and the friction also generates heat between the two objects. Yes. That is their second property, students. Okay. For example, I do another activity. Okay. What is this, ma? What is this? That one is a matchbox. Yes. That one is a matchbox. That is the application of our daily life. Friction generates heat. Okay. So I take one matchstick and friction to the side of the box. Side of the box. Okay. So what will happen? Yes, the flame is created from the activity. Yes, the flame is produced from the activity. Okay, so friction. The match. How will the flame produced? Yes, the matchstick is friction to the matchbox. Okay, so the friction generates heat. Friction generates heat. Okay, students? So, there are two properties of friction is over. First property, less friction on smooth surface. We need more friction on rough surface. Okay. Second one, friction generates heat. Friction generates heat. Students, did you understand the concept of properties of friction? Yes. Very good. Shall we move the next concept? Shall we move the next concept, ma? Okay, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Students say 1, 2, eyes on you. Very good. Next one, see the slide. So that one is an example of friction in solids. Students, next concept, friction in solid, liquid and gas. And the next one, next topic is friction is solid, liquid and gaseous object. Students, we already know the solid object. Main solid object. Yes, ball, table, matchstick, and then any other. Okay. So now we will learn about friction in solid object. Friction in solid object. Yes. So the matchstick is one of your solid object. So that is a friction in solid object example. Okay, students, friction in a solid object example. So the two objects, the flame is produced from the box because of the friction. Because of the friction. Okay, students. So the two objects, the matchstick and matchbox in medicine, okay, come in contact and opposite direction force. We can apply the opposite force. The object can move. Apply the friction. So the flame is produced. Yes, that is the example of friction in solids. Friction in solid object. Friction in solid object. Okay. What is the second one? See the slide. That is the friction in solid object example. So we move the table. Yes, students. We move the table also. One of the example of friction in solid. That is called static friction. Okay. Friction in solids, another name, static friction. Okay. The friction can occur three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. That is example of friction in solid. Okay. See the next one, friction in liquid. Okay. Friction in liquid. See the slide. That is also friction in solid object. So that one is second one, friction in liquids. Friction in liquids. Okay, we are swimming on the pool. We can swimming on in the pool. Okay, swimming pool and ocean or sea, any other water bodies. Okay, pond or lakes. Okay, any other water bodies we can swim in that. How do you feel, students? How do you feel due to swimming? Due to swimming, how do you feel? Yes, your hands are contact with all the time in water. Okay, yes. So the water is one of the object, liquid object. Your hand is one of the solid object. So the water and hand in the opposite motion, okay, come in contact each other. So the friction is already also takes place due to swimming. So that is the example of friction in liquids. One man swimming on the sea. Yes, that is the example of friction in liquids. See the another example. So friction in liquids is another name is fluid friction. Fluid friction. Friction in solid, another name static friction. Friction in another name fluid friction. Yes, students. Friction in solid, another name is Static friction. Static friction. So friction in liquid. Friction in liquid. Another name fluid friction. Fluid means liquid. Fluid friction. Okay, students. So we use in our daily life more types of friction. Okay, static friction and fluid friction. Fluid. Okay, fluid friction. And see the example in the slide. Fluid friction. And third one, friction in gases. Friction in gases. See the slide. One man flying in the air. Yes, one man flying on the atmosphere. Okay. So we can we can flying on parachute. How do you feel? Imagine, students. Imagine we can flying in the air. How do you feel? How do you feel? Yes, your hand contact with air and you can fly in the parachute. Okay, so the air is one of the surface, your hand is another surface. So the friction takes place between the hand and air. Okay, so that was an example of friction in gases. Okay, students. Students, only there are three types of friction takes place in three states of matter. Okay, friction in solid, the other name is static friction. Friction in liquid, the other name is fluid friction. For example, matchstick and then matchstick. Okay, matchbox and matchstick. Okay, that is a friction in solid example. We can use in our daily life. The another example is friction in liquids. Students, I take one model of beads. Okay, put in water. So what will happen? The beads also goes down in the bottom or floating on the. It can mix with. It can swim in liquid. It can swim in water. Yes, it can swim in water. See that? It can swim in water easily. That is a fluid friction. Okay, the friction takes place between beads and water. Okay, so that is an example of fluid friction. Okay, I put in one of the box. Okay, the box is floating on water. Floating on water. That one is also example of fluid friction. Okay. Third one, friction in gases. See the slide. So friction in gases, the friction takes place or man hand and then air. Okay. See the another one. Aeroplane's wings are designed for the fluid friction of air. Yes. Can you imagine? Okay, students, shall we move the next concept? Uses of friction. Okay, the last topic is uses of friction. We use in our more types of friction used in our daily life. See that uses of friction. See the slide. First one, the car is moving on the road. The car is moving on the road. Second one, a man is walking on the road. This is one of the friction. Okay. Third one, a man is playing in the seesaw. Yes. And another one, a man is skating on the road. This is one of the example of friction. Uses of friction also. Students, think it. Why do you slip and fall when the floor has just been mopped? Okay, your mummy is mop in your home weekly once. Yes, so you can run or walk in the wet floor. You can fall down easily. Why? Why? Think it. Very good, excellent answer. This is because liquid creates a barrier between the ground and your shoes and makes the friction a lot less. Yes, that one is the reason. In a smooth surface, wet floor means the low friction, the friction level is lower in a smooth surface. Yes, so you can fall down easily. Students, see the advantages of friction. See the slide. Friction helps to walk on the ground. Second one, we can write on the paper or on a board due to friction. Yes, friction helps in stopping a vehicle on applying the brakes. Okay, in road. Fourth one, it helps in generating heat when we rub our hands together. When we rub our hands together. Fifth one, asteroids burn in the atmosphere before reaching the earth due to friction and saves lives on earth. Yes, asteroid means எரிக்கற்கள் விண்கலத்திலிருந்து விழுகிறப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? வானத்திலிருந்து எரிக்கற்கள் விழுகிறப்ப எரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டே பேர்ன் ஆகி தான் விழுகும். ஸோ எரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டே பேர்ன் ஆகி விழுக திஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃப்ரிக்ஷன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். Okay, so automatically save on earth. In this activity, automatically save on earth. Now we go to the assessment part. Take your worksheet bookmark. Page number 52, worksheet number 11, friction force. Students, first question, define friction. State one example where friction is found. Where friction is found. State, define friction. Very good. What is the friction, ma? Friction is one kind of force that opposes motion between the two surfaces come in contact each other. Okay, state one examples where friction is found. Where friction is found? Yes, a man is walking. There are so many examples. You can write one example. Okay, second question, give reasons. It is easy to walk on a smooth road as compared to a rough road. Give reason. Why? Yes, that is the first property of friction. Very good, students. That is, it is easy to walk on a smooth surface. Why? Because the lower friction, we need only lower friction, and compared to rough surface, we need more friction. Yes, that is the answer is property of friction. B question, our hands get warm when we rub them together. Okay, our hands get warm when we rub them together. Second one, that is the second property. You already learned. Yes, friction generates heat. That is the answer. Friction generates heat between our two hands get warm when we rub them together. That is the answer. Third question, draw an arrow to indicate the direction in which the force of friction acting. Force of friction in the direction nadakku and the arrow marker you can draw it. Okay, a boy is sliding down. A boy sliding down. So the arrow mark is draw it in your first picture. Second picture, one man pushing in a car. Yes, a man is pushing in car. So you can arrow this direction. Okay, first picture you can draw the arrow this direction. Second question you can draw the arrow mark like this. Okay, first one this arrow like this, second one this arrow like this. Okay, students, today class once again summarize what is friction and then properties of friction. Third one, friction in solid object, liquid object and gaseous object. Yes, students, did you understand the today's class? Yes. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you, students.